My name is April Pisek. I work for IQVIA Laboratories, and I'm the Associate Director and Product Owner for IDBS Polar. I've been using it for a long time, but I've definitely experienced myself in the lab, which is where I started. Really the efficiencies that the software can gain, the increase of the quality of the data, because the system can stop you from making the mistakes that paper can't stop you with. But now seeing it on a larger scale in IQVIA Labs, it's really helping our clients really see it as a differentiator for us, so that they know and have more confidence in our data, because they know we're using a system that has full traceability. The audit trails are amazing, and it's really becoming a selling point. So it's a really great solution. So now that we're on IDBS Polar, we use the Explorer ELN, we use inventory, and we use the advanced spreadsheet. And now we're really excited to begin using the insights, as well as connecting the Data Studio to Power BI. So we're using a lot of features. Simply, we needed to get off paper. Again, the industry is moving, and even our pharma partners are moving more to digital solutions. And a lot of them have asked us how we've been able to do that. So it's been great to work with them and understand our needs and their needs are kind of the same in an ELN. Also, then it's AI ready, right? We were talking about that this week. And, it's something I've been telling our executive leadership team that it's not just an ELN, it's not just a template, it's really helping our organization go to the next level of digital transformation. And we see it a lot now, with the structured data, being able to then feed that to AI tools. We use the instrument reader functionality, which essentially sends the data straight from a balance or a pH meter straight into the spreadsheet. So there's no need for a human to either type a value or write it on a piece of paper. So there's no error, and the audit trails fully track exactly what integration sent that data. So it's fully traceable for audits. And then another example I actually talked about this week is with the data links to our LIMS system. And again, nobody likes to export data from a particular application and import, because that's obviously a manual step, opens the data to possibly being edited. So that the data links have that secure link that we, again, can rely on. It's the data straight from another system, and it's being able to be reused. And they can't edit that data when it comes into the spreadsheet. So really taking out any copy paste and human error from those processes. So we have our operational analytics coming through Snowflake that we've mapped into Power BI. Then I export information from our Watson LIMS system, and we are comparing all of the runs in ELN compared to the number of runs performed in LIMS to help us understand how many studies are actually still on paper. And that's been an eye-opener for our leadership team, and it's really helped them make a strong directive this year to the company that we need to get off paper and begin using the ELN. So it's really helped them understand where we're at in the transition.